Welcome to the Basic Warewash Training Course, AutoClaw Services e-learning online classes. In this module, we'll cover the proper steps and procedures for hand dishwashing. Hand dishwashing occurs in both small accounts, where it is the only dishwashing method used, and in larger accounts, where pots and pans and other miscellaneous items are cleaned. Bar and tavern operators often hand wash their glassware, because their low volume does not justify an institutional machine. AutoClaw got its start in the commercial dishwashing business by servicing hand dishwashing accounts. Our full line of products and equipment can be tailored to specific needs of each customer. The 3 steps of cleaning dishes and hand dishwashing are simple: wash, rinse, sanitize. Let's walk through the proper steps of hand dishwashing in a 3-compartment sink. When we fill the 3-compartment sink up properly, keep the water relatively clean and change as necessary. Keep the water warm, 110 to 120 degrees in the wash and rinse tanks, and at least 75 degrees for the chemical sanitizing 3rd tank. Keep the detergent and sanitizer at the proper concentrations. QA, or quaternary ammonia, is the most common method used for sanitizing in a 3-compartment sink. Pre-scrape the dishware thoroughly. Remove all food soil with a scraper or your hand before immersing in the wash tank. This will keep the wash water from becoming dirty too quickly. Suggest a soaking time for your customers. Both warm water and soil soaking time will soften and loosen food and dirt spots, making washing much easier. And of course, longer is always better. A good starting point is 5 to 15 minutes. Adjust the product strength to the dirt and grease loads. Washing pots and pans in the same wash sink as the dishes, glassware, and flatware can require the use of substantially stronger detergent. The more food soil is present, the more detergent it consumes. Washing the glasses, dishes, utensils, pots, and pans. Suggest the use of a brush, sponge, dish rag, or non-abrasive scouring pad. The idea is to thoroughly clean the area of the utensil both inside and out. Next is rinse the dishware. Rinse the dishes you have cleaned in clean water in the 2nd sink. Grime, soap residue can prevent sanitizer from killing germs. Good rinsing makes sanitizing more effective. The next step is sanitizing after rinsing. Know and use the required soak time for sanitizing action. And a properly charged quaternary solution usually requires 1 minute soak time at the concentration recommended by the local health department, typically a minimum of 200 parts per million. Sanitizing a properly charged chlorine solution usually requires 60 seconds at the concentration recommended by local health departments, typically again 100 parts per million. Once we have washed, rinsed, and sanitized, allow to air dry only. Do not towel dry. Properly installed drain boards for air drying tableware will allow maximum cleaning results. The proper procedures for testing sanitizing solutions. If you're testing in a QA or quaternary solution, first dispense the solution in a clean sink. Use dry fingers to remove test strips of the paper from the vial. Water temperature should be a minimum of 75 degrees. Allow the solution to settle. Dip the quad test paper in the solution for 1 second. Allow 5 to 10 seconds for the paper to develop. Match the paper to the color chart on the container. Again, proper strength is 200 parts per million. If necessary, adjust by adding water if the concentration is too high, or adding more sanitizer if the concentration is too low. Always retest to confirm proper strength. If you're testing in a chlorine solution, use dry fingers to remove your test strip from the vial. Dip the test strip into the solution to be tested. Don't move it around, just dip it straight in and straight out. Water temperature should be a minimum of 75 degrees. Compare immediately to the color chart comparative. This color indicates the proper strength of the solution. Proper strength is 50 to 100 parts per million of available chlorine. These tests should be conducted daily at 10 a.m., 2 p.m., and 6 p.m. If necessary, adjust by adding water if the concentration is too high, or adding more sanitizer if the concentration is too low. And again, always retest to confirm proper sanitation levels. Once the dishware has been dried, do not touch or handle ware in any areas that will contact the user's mouth. Only touch clean spoon, knives, forks by their handles. Touch clean cups, glasses, bowls, plates, or other similar items without making contact with the inside surfaces. Store the clean tableware and utensils properly. Cups, glasses, and bowls should be inverted. This is to keep contaminants from falling into it. Storage locations should be at least 6 inches above the floor in a clean and dry location. Avoid storage in the toilet and restroom areas. At the end of each day, recommend cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting the sinks, scrap boards, scrap trays, and surrounding tables. Deliming may be necessary during the cleaning process. When cleaning is complete, finish by sanitizing and disinfecting with products like Solution QA or QA Ultra. Be sensitive to the customer's request for hand or odor problems. For hand problems, the use of rubber gloves or special products that we offer to reduce skin irritation can work. Fragrance can be an important factor in both detergent and sanitizing. We offer a range of choices in these areas. Always recommend a hand clean policy. Keeping hands clean is one of the most important steps we can take to avoid getting sick and spreading germs to others. Teach people to work from the soiled or scraping end of the dish area to the clean dish area without first washing their hands and rinsing in clean water. Good cleaning results also requires consistency. The occasional soiled, spotted, or streaked items of tableware that a customer receives will give the impression of overall poor cleaning procedures and results. During the early years of autochlor, hand dishwashing products were our only products. Today, because of the great increase in autochlor dishwashing machines and other dishwashing machine customers, The hand dishwashing business is only a small part of our total business. Do you know what our company goal for companion product sales are? 25%. 25% of your overall sales for your route should be companion or byproducts. Unfortunately, we have decreased our sales in hand dishwashing products as the dishwashing machine business has continued to grow, and we now refer to these products as companion products. Most customers are using some hand and other cleaning products, which we could supply in an impressive savings. Some of the advantages to the autochlor dishwashing equipment. See if you can answer these questions. What does your customer use for washing their pots and pans? If they have a bar, do they wash the bar glasses manually? How do they clean their tables, countertops, and floors? Do they pre-soak the silverware? So the real question is, who are they actually buying these products from? AutoGuard Products is an excellent quality and significantly less expensive than most. Our automatic dispensing equipment provides even further cost savings for your customer. Some of the greatest savings we can offer our customers are with automatically dispensed hand products. Competition will have a harder time competing against our full line of service since few offer any automatic means of dispensing hand products. From one standpoint, companion products can be the frosting on the cake of our profit. Since we are already calling on the account, we incur little or no added sales expense for the sale of companion products to existing machine customers. Similarly, it's the easiest way for the sales and service representative to increase their commission income. A proven way to sell is to demonstrate these products to your existing machine customers. Look around the kitchen for products the customer is buying from other sources and demonstrate our product for that particular cleaning application. Our products are superior and seeing is believing. Learn more about hand dishwashing, talk to your managers, regional manager, or vice presidents, or contact us here at the Training Center.